quiet of the morning, when the world is still and calm, I find a place where I belong, a haven from the storm. The gentle breeze, it whispers through the trees so tall and green, in this tranquil sacred space where my soul can truly dream. Peaceful here, where hearts align, in the stillness love we find. With every breath, a song so clear, in this place we're peaceful here. Among the flowers blooming, in the soft embrace of dawn, the worries of the world dissolve in the light of a new morn. Birds sing sweet melodies, a symphony of grace. In the serene sanctuary, I find my perfect place. Peaceful here, where hearts align, in the stillness love we find. With every breath, a song so clear, in this place we're peaceful here. In the calm of twilight's glow, where the stars begin to show, we sit and watch the night unfold, in a peace that we both know. Hand in hand we journey far, guided by the evening star. In this moment hearts are near, in this